What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Jay Seals, and today we are talking about FTX. It's been all over the news with Sam Bankman-Fried, but today we're going to be talking about all the companies that FTX is affecting with the crash. So, how wide does the FTX contagion spread, and the companies that have been affected so far? The collapse of the cryptocurrency exchange FTX will go down as one of the darkest moments in crypto history. The company experienced severe liquidity issues in November and couldn't honor the withdrawal requests of its customers. Binance, the world's largest crypto platform, was ready to acquire the exchange, but after auditing, walked away from the agreement. FTX could not find a solution and filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection, while CEO Sam Bankman-Fried resigned from the position. And we later learned that he didn't even have to file for the US version because they were fully solvent, he says. But this sent shockwaves through the entire cryptocurrency market. The prices of most digital assets tumbled, with Bitcoin dropping below 16,000. Fears of contagion still plagues the market. In the following, we take a look at some of the companies that were impacted by FTX's downfall. Liquid Global, a Japanese cryptocurrency platform owned by FTX, halted withdrawals shortly after its parent company filed for bankruptcy. The former became a victim of hackers last year and lost over $90 billion worth of digital currencies. Back then, FTX secured a $120 million debt financing so Liquid Global could resume its services. Now, you have to wonder whether FTX was the one that potentially hacked their own company to, I don't know, keep something going, or, if it was truly a hack. I don't know, a little tinfoil hat, but let's continue. Crypto lending platform Genesis Global Capital also paused withdrawals, explaining that a vast number of customers started taking their assets out of the entity. The abnormal requests indicated that customers feared their investment could suffer if it stayed in the hands of a centralized organization. Multicoin Capital, a cryptocurrency venture firm, was also affected. Managing partners Kyle Tsunami and Tushar Jain admitted that they stored too many assets of FTX, putting too much trust in the relationship. The company raised hopes it could retrieve some of the distribution, but they realized this could be a challenging task since most of them are wrapped in the bankruptcy proceedings. And then we have BlockFi, a crypto lending platform coping with the significant problems throughout 2022, had to throw in the towel after the latest events. FTX previously provided a $400 million loan to the firm and offered to acquire it for $240 million. Following the latest events, BlockFi was unsuccessful into resuming its regular course of business and filed for bankruptcy as well. The Singaporean state holding company owned by the local government, Temasek, invested $210 million in FTX International and $65 million in FTX US. It informed that the investment has virtually shrunk to zero following exchange's decay. Nonetheless, Singapore's Deputy Prime Minister Lawrence Wong assured the FTX crisis had a very little impact on the local economy, since most large financial institutions had not yet hopped on the cryptocurrency bandwagon. Hedge funds Galois Capital revealed half of its capital was trapped in the troubled exchange. Sources estimate that this amount could be approximately 100 million. Paradigm, Jesus Christ, there are so many. Paradigm, a crypto and Web3 focused venture capital firm, was also shocked by the crash. Some reports hinted that it had invested over $270 million in FTX. Paradigm said that its allocation represents a small part of its assets, while Matt Huang, co-founder of the company, stated he feels deep regret for having been involved with the founder and a trading venue that did not align with crypto values and who done enormous damage to the ecosystem. Europe's largest digital asset investment and trading group, CoinShares, discovered that over 30 million, or about 11% of its total net asset value, was stuck on FTX. Mike Novogratz, crypto financial service firm Galaxy Digital, had more than 76 million worth of exposure to the distressed entity. The world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, is also on the list. Jesus. CEO Larry Fink revealed his company invested 24 million in FTX prior to the latter's catastrophe. He also denied commenting on the reasons behind the adverse event, saying people should be aware of the facts before making any speculation. I'm sure they did their due diligence. Could they have been misled? Could they have done other things? Could we have been misled? Sure. But until we have more facts, I'm not going to speculate. Tiger Global Management, the hedge fund headed by billionaire Chase Coleman, has participated numerous times in FTX fundraising. While the exact amount of losses remains unknown, one could guess Tiger Global has taken a major punch due to the collapse. And then lastly, we have crypto platform Auroras Global faced short-term liquidity issues earlier this week. Its institutional credit underwriter M11 Credit assured that both parties had joined forces to limit the risk of customers. So, sheesh, that is a super long list of companies. A lot of them don't or either donated or invested millions of dollars into FTX only to lose everything. And it's hit the markets very, very hard. I don't think any of them are able to get their money back, but as the FTX story keeps unfolding more and more, it seems like more people are getting hurt and we're getting less and less answers or not really the truth coming from SBF, even though he is going on a lot of different uh, TV shows, news organizations, as well as Twitter spaces to be interviewed by a whole array of people. It seems like we're still not getting the answers that everybody wants. We'll see if Congress can step in and get the answers out of him or if it'll be a dog and pony show. But that's all I got for this one. Please let me know down in the comments what you think of the FTX debacle and if you think that SBF is a good guy or if he's a bad guy and he, was doing bad things and all this just fell on his face. But I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.